In 1967, the Chevy Nova wasn't just a compact car, it was a street-bred sleeper that could blow the doors off far more expensive rivals. Tucked away in a clean boxy body with a deceptively simple design, the 1967 Chevrolet Nova packed serious performance for its size, offering a mix of lightweight construction and potent powertrain options that made it a favorite among drag racers and muscle car enthusiasts alike. In its third model year of the second generation, the 1967 Nova came with a variety of engine choices, but none stood out quite like the optional 327 cubic V8, available in different configurations, ranging from 275 to 350 horsepower. This small block engine transformed the Nova into a real threat on the streets. Mated to a 4-speed manual transmission or a 2-speed Powerglide automatic, it could propel the compact coupe with exhilarating quickness, making it a performance bargain of the era. What made the 1967 Nova so iconic wasn't just its straight-line speed, it was the blend of nimble dimensions, timeless styling, and muscle under the hood. While many full-size muscle cars boasted bigger engines, they also carried more weight. The Nova, on the other hand, offered a purer performance experience. It didn't need flared fenders or aggressive scoops to make us, relied on raw power and simplicity. Compared to its larger siblings like the Chevelle S396 or the Camaro Z28, the Nova's performance per dollar ratio was arguably unmatched, especially in street racing scenes and weekend drag strips across America. It also shared GM's unibody construction and basic components with the Chevy 2 line, which made it affordable and easy to modify, contributing to its cult status among hot rodders and builders. Historically, the Nova played a crucial role in Chevrolet's lineup as the brand sought to provide a high-thrill option for younger buyers who wanted performance without the premium price tag. It became a staple in the muscle car movement, especially during the late 60s when horsepower was king. The 1967 model, being the final year before a major redesign in 1968, is often praised for its clean, minimalist lines and compact footprint. In today's collector market, well-preserved or restored 1967 Novas, especially the SS variants with the 3.7 V8, are in high demand, symbolizing an era when speed could come in small packages. Looking ahead, the 1967 Chevy Nova could play a nostalgic role in the future of automotive culture, particularly as restomod trends continue to rise. Imagine classic bodies like the Nova integrated with modern electric drivetrains or updated suspension and safety tech, blending retro style with cut performance. Whether left stock or reborn through customization, the 1967 Nova's legacy as a compact muscle legend is secured, and its influence on affordable performance is likely to inspire generations to come.